Hello friends, welcome to YouTube Explore channel. Today we'll be going to learn about four functions in MS Word which are very handy for your understanding and makes you add a little bit of extra information for further reference. So here we will be going to learn about inserting comment, footnotes, endnotes and caption. So let's start our video here from this page where I have prepared a three paragraphs, and first function we'll be going to learn about how to insert a comment. You might be surprised about listening this term, but very few people know about this one because sometimes if you are studying or doing professional work, you still need a kind of comments other than your whole information in the paragraph to make it understand easily in a very less time. So you have to click over here in front of the word or after the word where you would like to add the comment. So we click here in front of Englishman and go to review. Here you can see under review a new comment. Insert a comment. Click on here and you can see a red line and red background behind the word has been made. And friends, you can see on the right side a comment A1 has come up where we can write easily to understand it. Any small notes is British man. So whenever I open this document and this Englishman terms makes me understand through this comment. So let's add one more comment here after the chickweed in the second paragraph and add new comment. Here we may write explain the term means whenever any user open this document and they have been able to read this, they would be able to know about the comment is being added here, explain the term chickweed. So friends, that's how you can add new comment in your documents in Word, where you will be able to add little notes for better understanding. And in order to delete this, you can click on in front or afterwards and go to delete under review and click delete. This will delete the comment. So now we will be moving to the next function, which is footnotes and endnotes. Many times you may have seen a kind of word comes after the word in terms of figure 1, 2, 3. You can see here after T a 1 comes up on T above, a 2 comes up on T above. So let's add this one as well. For instance, I would like to add footnotes here after list word. I clicked here and then I go to references. Here you can see insert footnotes. So I clicked on footnotes. The moment I clicked it, you can see it takes me up to the bottom of the page. So here you can see the one has come up and I can write here explore publish it means whenever somebody is reading this paragraph and comes up at the end and they point their mouse cursor near around the word list, they will see a kind of icon and the explore publish it has come up over there. So let's add another footnotes. We may add this here in the second paragraph, third line, colonist. So I clicked in front of colonist and clicked on insert note, and the 2 has come up because it has taken up the sequence of the figure number. Or more. Friends, if I goes up near the word colonist and you can see here the 2 has come up in front of colonist and explore more footnote has also shown up over there. Also friends, You can use A, B, C alphabets, dot or Romanic words. Instead of these figures, you have to go to here in references, in footnotes, you see this symbol, just clicked over here and you can see in number format here, you can select any of these to being represented once you are going to use the footnotes. You can click on Romanic here and click on apply. So you can see here instead of number 1 and 2 the Romanic has come up because I clicked here in front of colonies. For instance, I would like to add a new footnote here in front line of the second paragraph, United States. I clicked on insert notes and then I click on symbol, and here I would like to use A, B, C in lowercase, and then I click on insert note. You can see here the A, B and C has come up. Also friends, once you open this tool of footnotes, you can change your settings and then click on apply. So it will take you back where you were using the figure number. Now how to remove this footnote as well. You have to click here after the 1, then click on backspace. The number 1 has been selected and click on backspace one more time. You can see the number 1 has been removed from here. So at the bottom you can see only 2 footnote has been represented here because the number 1 has been deleted just now. Similarly friends, you can use EndNote. You have to click in front of the name or after the name, go to references and click see here insert EndNote. Once you click here, you can see a Romanic one has come up and here you can write anything whatever you like. Why I mention these footnote and EndNote here friends, reason being because you can see while reading on many documents in terms of MS Word or PDF, you can see this kind of 1, 2 comes up near or above the word in Romanic, in ABC alphabetical, or in figures 1 and 2. So the process of inserting footnote and endnote is same, and removing it, deleting it is same. Just have to click on the word and do twice backspace. Now friends, for instance, you have been using images in your Word file and you wanted to add equation 1 under this image. What you have to do is click on the right side of the image, then enter, and then go to references and then go to insert caption. Here you can see figure 1 has been being displayed in caption, but in the label drop down list you can see equation. Once you click here and then click on OK, the equation has come up. Now friends, you want this equation 1 to be placed in the center of the image. You can do it by pressing space button or tab button. But the easiest way is click in front of the equation 1 and you can see this on the ruler first line indent. Just click on the first line indent and take it to the center. This way easily you can move your figure equation 1 or the image as well. To change or move the image you can use first line indent as well. So for the time being, now we wanted to add a chart as well. So friend, we just now added equation 1 and we would like to add the chart because now the chart is being represented here, and in your work assignments thesis where you would like to add these words, Just click on insert caption and here you can see the chart. So how can you add the chart? Just click on new label and right over there chart. You don't have to mention the number. Just click on chart and you can see in the caption the chart one has come up. Then click on OK. And to take it to the right end, you have to click in front of the word, then click on the first line indent over the ruler and take it wherever you would like to place the chart one. Similarly, you can use it for images as well. If you have been representing images in your MS Word documents, click insert option. Now image is not being available here, so we can add image label here as well. And okay, in case you have 3 4 images, then you don't have to worry about. You just copy this and I show you another example here. This is another image where I would like to add caption. So I click here and you can see in sequence the image 2 has come up and I click on OK. That's the easiest way, friends. You can add footnotes, endnotes, caption, and comment as well. So these 4 things are very handy for your assignment preparation, document preparation, thesis preparation, and so on, wherever you would like to add such things, because these are very handy and everyone should know about this. I hope you like this video, friends. Please like and share. Explore YouTube channel.